Hey guys, it is Sunday, so it's Stocklocks Sunday, and we have all of the qualtec security systems padlocks. I believe there's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these. And now we'll see how long time it takes to pick them all, both how long time it takes to SPP them all, how long time to rake and zip and all that. Possibly also bypass them, just for the fun of it. I can see the time in the top of the screen in my end of the camera. You can see it in the timer of the video. So let me find what I need, and let's just jump right into it when I have the things. Hey, I forgot to say something before we start the video. I do mention it a little later in the video that I forgot to mention this, so I'm making this clip just quickly to do it. Just for the fun of it, I think it would be quite fun if you made a comment in the comment section before we start picking with your guess on how long time it takes to SPP all of these qualtec locks, and how long it takes to zip them open and rock them open and rake them open and bypass them. That's the 5 things we're doing: SPPing, raking, rocking, zipping, and bypassing. How long time do you think each of these things will take on all of these? There is 10 locks. I will say though, which we discover in the video, one of them is broken, so that only counts in the first round, which is SPPing. In the other rounds we only have 9 locks. But I still think it would be fun to see what you think about how long it takes to pick them all in the different ways. I will make a comment in the comment section that you can make a comment on with your guesses, and then we'll see if anyone gets close. Anyway, onto the video. That was 3, 4, and 5, and then some tension. I believe this is what I used. Yeah. Alright. So we have the tension in the first one. And in my end it now says 1 minute and 30 seconds. But I have to remember to count in the intro, so it might not be 1:30, it's probably 1:33, 34 seconds when I started. Get in there. What? Alright, that is broken. Still use some time on it though. I don't know why that was broken though. Come on. Who was it? There we go. Get in there, key. We're working on time here, keys. Come on. There we go. And stop. 4 minutes 50. And what's, did I say 1:30? That must be 3 minutes and 20 seconds or something like that to pick 10. Although this wasn't picked for some reason. If you have watched the whole series, we know I picked all of these. None of these were broken. But so for some reason this one is now. So I don't know how long time I use on this, but I think it have not been more than 5 to 10 seconds, so it's still at least 3 minutes to pick 9 of these. I could have saved some if I didn't try to put in the keys on every single one, but it was to remember which key went to which lock. But we're not going to bother more with this. If we want to put in the time for this, we can just add 10 seconds to the time. But that was the SPPing. Let's log every single lock again and do the same by raking and then rocking and zipping and then bypass them. And there we go. Alright, let's see, what will we do? We will do, let's do raking. Let's rake them. Alright, I'll wait till we had the tension in on the first one last time as well. 6 minutes 40, does mine say. Come on. Come on, open up. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Okay, it opened. I take it. One more. That was easy. And stop. 8:30, 40, and we started on 6:40, so this took 2 minutes. Alright, only a minute faster. I forgot to say it. I probably write it on the screen before I started SPPing. Play some, just for the fun of it, not as a giveaway or anything, but just for fun. Plays a bit on how long time it takes to SPP them, rake them, zip them, and so on. I probably, as I said, write that on the screen because I forgot to say it before we started. But it would be fun to see what people think. I might even just film a short bit and put that in the start of the video. We'll see. You see the video. Anyway, we started with the tensioner in, and we will rock this time at 940. Start 940. I have a feeling that this might actually take longer, because I remember there were 1 or 2 locks of these that really did not like rocking. So, come on. And this might be one of them. I actually think there were one of them that I couldn't even rock open. And this might be the one. Oh, I felt it was close. Okay, we wait with that. Next one. Come on. It can't be 2 in a row. I think the rocking part is going to be quite a big fail. At least it seems like it. Come on. We can do it. Now the third one, come on. Another one that seems to be quite a lot against me. We only opened 4 and we passed 4 as well. And yeah. What did we say? Was it 940? Not yet. And that's the tension wrench. I don't remember having 5 that I couldn't. Oh, there we go. Rock open. Not yet. We have passed 2 minutes. And these small ones get hard to hold. So I'm going to hold them in a different way for now. Also in an attempt to get a little different tension on. Come on. I only need 3 more. This one and 2 more, that is. Come on. If we started at 9:30, we are well over 3 minutes, isn't we? That's 12:40. Yeah, 4 minutes. And I give up on that one because it just doesn't want to open. I think we have to give up on these 3. As I said earlier, I know there is at least 1 that I couldn't open by rocking, and now it seems there is 3. Yeah, I give up on these when it comes to rocking. So 6 open and 3 we gave up on in, oh, what was that, 940. That's, yeah, close to 5 minutes. Not good. So rocking was definitely the worst one so far. Alright. And we sip them now. And we start at 15 minutes in my side here, in my end. Now. Get in there. Get in. I want to beat the time on, yeah, pretty much all of the other things, but especially rocking, that was terrible. Come on. Already opened. It went so well. Come on. There we go. Maybe it's just easier to keep the pick and tensioner in hand. And there we go, stop time on 17:08. 2 minutes and 8 seconds to zip them all open. So we did not beat raking, but we did beat SPPing and rocking. Now bypassing is probably the one that, of course, will take the least amount of time, I hope. But we'll see. And we will start at 17:50. Now. Come on. What is happening? That one won't be bypassed apparently. I hope it was the right keys. They were. Why does this one not? Okay, this one doesn't work. 19.9. If that had worked, I would have done it in just 1 minute. Dang it. Weird that this did not. And the key still work. But why won't it bypass? Come on. Oh, thank God I didn't break it. No. For some reason this one just don't want to. Anyway, we did open 8 of them in, what was that, 1 minute and 25 seconds or so. Phew. Either way, the one that took the longest time was rocking. Surprisingly, I think. I actually thought sipping would be the worst. Apparently not. That took 20 minutes and 30 seconds to do all this. Now, I don't remember who, but there were one that asked what about some destruction of some of them. I kind of don't want to, and many of you know, I don't like destroying locks, especially if they actually work. These 9 pretty much work, except one that doesn't want to be bypassed. But, well, the lock still works, it can be picked, and it still locks. But since we have this one that actually doesn't work, we could try and break this one in a different video. Not now, because I haven't set up things and all that. But if some of you think it would be fun to see this being destroyed, then we will do a video of that. We could try first. I actually kind of want to see if we can get the a broken key bit out of this. So break one of these keys and see, push it in and see if we can get it out with is this all of it? Yeah, I think it is. With some of these Chinese key extractors. I'm pretty sure I have a bigger set, also Chinese. But either way, we can try these, and after that we can see how much it takes to open it destructively. What way do you think we should destructively open it? We have some different ways that it can be done. I don't believe I have the actual wrenches and stuff. You know, I believe you must have seen it on lockpicking lawyers videos, where you take 2 wrenches and put them in and twerk them together, and it presses open the it breaks the side of the lock body and opens up the shackle. We can do that, or we can try to beat it open with a hammer and see how much it takes to do that. We can, and after that we can see how easy it will be to cut the shackle. It doesn't have to be on the actual body of the lock to do that. So yeah. Oh, and we can also put in a screwdriver like that and see if we can break it like that. What do you want? We can only do one of them because I'm only up to destroying one, and that's because it's broken. What do we do? Do we use a screwdriver to try and break it open? Do we take a hammer and beat it open? Or do we try to use the 2 wrenches? It's all up to you. I want to know what you think we should try, since we can do all 3 on one lock. The one I'm mostly interested in, actually, personally, is the screwdriver. Of course, if it doesn't work, we can always do something improvised, you know, one of the other things. But I know this one will break with the wrenches, and I know it will break with the hammer. I don't believe these are strong enough to hold up against that. I kind of want to know if I can break it with a screwdriver, though. So that's my best bet on a destructive test for this one. See if it can be broken like that. After we have tried to extract the key, of course. See if we can. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, that's all I wanted to do for this Sunday. That's one of my longest videos. Yeah, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.